Carl. Take as many photos as possible and kindly post them online. Kung pwede po ninyong i-post. Our Instagram account is at AKF Animal Rescue. If you are content creators or talagang may interest at kayo po ay ang libangan ay TikTok naman, pwede niyo po kaming itag sa inyong mga TikTok videos at AKF Animal Rescue. Malaking tulong na po ang pag-raise ng awareness sa mga bawat process and about the Animal Kingdom Foundation being the biggest animal shelter in the Philippines, located in Capas, Tarlac. Nakaka-proud ng Tarlac.
And also, if you want to help our foundation, we have some merchandise for sale. Malapit po sa ating registration area. Yeah, we have shirts, caps, tote bags. Ayan. So you can purchase them and yung proceeds po namin mapupunta po sa mga rescues na nasa Animal Kingdom Foundation sa aming po rehabilitation center